Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to show you how to create the cutout transition in Capcut. So if you would like to make the transition like this, I will repeat it again for you. So without any further ado, and let's get into it. So the first step I will do is I will use the CapCut application in my Android phone, and you can also do it the same into your iPhone or the iOS. Then the first step, the next step I will do is choose this new project and select this picture and add it into the project. And after that, I will remove this watermark. Then I will select this picture and duplicate it twice. I will duplicate it twice until there are three pictures. Then for this third picture, I will move it or overlay it. And this overlaid picture will be the transition effect that we will make. And I will also reduce the duration over here. Let's say I will choose it to become 1 second. Then I will going to this first picture. I will create the opening using this mask, and I will use the star mask since the Michael Jackson is the one of the biggest star of all time. And you can click adjust. Then I will change the size to become small as I can, and so does adjust the feather. And I will move this picture to become in the first second. Then I will add the keyframe. I will minimize a little bit to make it easy. And after that, I will still go to the mask. Place your cursor into this middle of the first clip or the first picture. Then you can add the keyframe in the middle and slightly change the size. Let's say to become 50. And slide it again into the almost the last second of this first picture, and expand the clarity. I think it's enough to become the X is 117 and the Y is in 80. Then you can apply it, and we move to this third, the overlaid picture. Slide it a little bit into the between of this first picture. Into the first and between the first picture and second picture. I will reduce a little bit the duration. Then I will remove the background for this transition picture. Remove the BG, custom removal. Since as you can see, the contrast of the color over here is quite different, so it can be easier to remove the background. Or you don't have to slide your brush over the picture. You can just auto remove, and that's it, and apply it. And after that I will create the movement by move it down a little bit, and I will add the keyframe, over here. Then you can going the to the last second of this picture and move this picture up. Make sure that you don't miss the line, so it can be easier to you to move up the picture. Don't worry. There you go. I will move it until it fits to the picture, or until you can feel the vibration of this app if this position is already fit. And there you go. Let's see the result a little bit. And for the rest of picture, you can add the effect like this. Let's try the effect over here. For this second picture, I will choose the tear up paper and apply it. And I will also add the white flash for the transition effect and apply it. And let's see the result. I think it's a bit better. To minimize the duration, I will go back to this picture before. And I will move this picture up into the middle of this screen. Don't forget to add the last keyframe. There you go, and let's see the result. There you go, guys. Don't forget to try and practice it into your device, and please let us know if this tip and tricks also work for you guys. So that's all from me. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for this channel, and I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.